Why does Gen Z pretend to be friends with everyone and still feel disconnected from almost everybody? Like, this generation knows a lot of people. We text constantly, reply to stories, send reels, and keep up with each other online. But when you really think about it, a lot of people don't even feel fully understood by the people they are close to. And I think social media changed the definition of friendship because now being social does not always mean being emotionally close. People know your aesthetic, your playlist, your relationship status, but not your fears, loneliness, or what's actually happening in your life. And honestly, I think Gen Z became very good at maintaining connections, but very bad at building depth. And this generation is expressive online, but too guarded in real life. So maybe Gen Z is not surrounded by fake friendships. Maybe we are too busy with surface level connections. What do you think?